Welcome back. It's Couponing with Alsande. I have some 5 out 25, and these are going to be the all gain scenarios here. So, the reason why I'm doing these separate from the 5 out 25 is because I've been getting asked a lot about these. Well, I do want you guys to keep in mind, because we're having a clearance event from the 23rd to the 25th, on Saturday, just make sure that when you get your gain items, like some items like the Swiffer refills that are in the clearance section will become half off. So I've heard. So just be careful. Watch your total to make sure you still get to that $25 mark before tax, and before your and of course before your coupons, but before tax. All right, these are only for August 24th, 2019, only because they're only for Saturday, and we're combining the 5 off 20 and the 5 off 20. Sorry, the 5 off 20 gain and the 5 off 25 coupons together. Remember, DQ equals digital coupon and PQ equals paper coupon. I'm sorry. Scenario 1, we get the Gain Flings to 51 count. They're still on sale for $13.50. The Gain Liquid Detergent 75 ounce for $7.50. The Gain Swiffer Refill 10 to 16 count for $4.50. Our total is $25.50 before discounts. Our 5 off 25 DQ is going to make it $20.50. Our 5 off 20 Gain DQ is going to make it $15.50. Our $3 off Gain Flings DQ is going to make it $12.50. Our $2 off Gain Liquid DQ is going to make it $10.50. Our $2 off Swiffer Refill DQ is going to make it $8.50, or 3 items at $2.83 each item. Also, another thing I want to point out to you guys is that even though I chose the Gain Swiffer Refill, I always make sure it's the Gain scented items. So that's why that's why I put Gain Swiffer. But anyway, not only do you pay attention to the price, but if you decide not to hit the refill and you want like the Gain with Swiffer with Gain, the duster kit, the 5 duster 1 handle kit, feel free to get that if you don't want to get the refill. So you can always switch out. Just make sure you clip your coupons, so all your discounts will come off. Alright, scenario 2, you can get 1 of the Gain Flings 51 count. They're $13.50. 2 of the Mr. Clean free refills at $3 each, makes it $6. 3 of the Gain Dish Liquid 21.6 ounce dish liquids at $2 each, makes it $6. The total is $25.50. Your 5 off 25 DQ is going to come off, making it $20.50. Your 5 off 20 Gain DQ is going to make it $15.50. Your $3 off Gain Flings DQ is going to make it $12.50. Your $3 off Mr. Clean Freak DQ is going to make it $9.50. Your $3 off 3 Gain Dish DQ is going to make it $6.50, or 6 items at $1.08 each item. Alright, scenario 3. We get 1 of the Gain Liquid Detergents for the 40 ounce for $3.95. 1 Gain Flings 12 to 14 count for $3.95. 1 Gain Fabric Softener 48 load at $3.95. 1 Gain Dryer Sheets to 34 count for $2. 2 of the Mr. Clean Free Refills at $3 each, makes it $6. 3 of the Gain Dish Liquid 21.6 ounce at $2 each, makes it $6. The total is $25.85 before discounts. Your 5 off 25 DQ is going to make it $20.85. Your 5 off 20 Gain DQ is going to make it $15.85. Your $2 off Gain Liquid Detergent DQ is going to make it $13.85. Your $2 off Gain Flings paper coupon is going to make it $11.85. Your $2 off Gain Fabric Softener paper coupon is going to make it $9.85. Your $2 off Gain Dryer Sheets DQ is going to make it $7.85. Your $3 off Mr. Clean DQ is going to make it $4.85. Your $3 off Gain Dish DQ is going to make it $1.85, or 9 items at 21 cents each item. This is the scenario I did last Saturday that people asked about. And once again, when you do the scenario, make sure that you hand over your items to your cashier in this order. Sorry about that, y'all. So in other words, we want like the 3 off 3, even though we're getting a gain in this scenario, we need to make sure that we hand over our 3 Gain dish liquids first, because it also has the option of not just the dish liquid, but Mr. Clean products and like Febreze and all the others. So since we got Mr. Clean in this scenario, we need to hand over our 3 dish liquids first, let the cashier ring them up, then we can hand over our Mr. Clean and all that other. Now, when it comes to the dryer sheets as well, the 34 count, we have to hand over that first because it's the $2 off coupon works with that. When it comes to our paper coupon that we're going to use with our fabric softener, we won't put it like this. hand over your 3 gain dish liquid first, so that digital coupon will come off for the 3 off 3 gain dish, and hand over your gain dryer sheets to 34 count for $2, so your $2 off gain dryer sheets digital coupon will come off. Then feel free to hand over everything else in whatever order you would like to, and that way you got to make sure those 2 main coupons are going to come off. Of course, you want to make sure all your digital coupons need to be clipped that's coming off, like the 5 off 25, 5 off 20 gain, and everything else. But this is the way that you would get everything to come off the right way, so you'll pay $1.85 after tax. Before tax. So, in other words, 3 dish liquids going to get hand over, your 2 Mr. Clean. 3 dish liquids going to get hand over, then your dryer sheets, and then just feel free to hand everything else over. But it's best to do it in that order. That way you don't have to worry about certain things getting attached to the wrong thing and then your scenario being messed up. Because we're trying to pay the least out of pocket as possible. And $1.85, especially for all game products, Mr. Clean and all that. Come on, y'all. Swiffer and stuff like that. That's what it's about. So that's what we need to make sure we do. Okay, this scenario, we're going to get the Game Flings 51 count for $13.50. Game Flings 12 to 14 count for $3.95. The Game Fireworks 5.7 ounce for $3.95. The Game Dryer Sheets 105 count for $3.95. The total is $25.35. Your 5 off 25 DQ is going to make it $20.35. Your 5 off 20 Game DQ is going to make it $15.35. Your $3 off Game Flings DQ is going to make it $12.35. Your $2 off Game Flings DQ is going to make it $10.35. Your $2 off Gain Fireworks paper coupon is going to make it $8.35. And your $2 off Gain Dryer Sheets DQ is going to make it $6.35, or 4 items at $1.59 each. Once again, when it comes to, when it comes to the scenario, you hand over your dryer sheets first, because you have 1 coupon that's going to be either for dryer sheets, the fireworks, or the fabric softener. So you want to hand over you don't have to worry about it with this one. I'm sorry, y'all. You don't have to worry about it with this one because these are the regular price ones, $3.95. Yeah, so feel free to hand over these in whichever order, but you just make sure that you put in your phone number first, so your digital coupons will come off, and then you hand over your paper coupons last. That's always the last step you do when you're using paper coupons, so you can make sure that it doesn't mess up your total, especially before you put in your phone number, so your digitals will come off. You want your digitals to come off first, because especially like when you're doing a scenario to where you have to have a certain amount, in this case the 5 off 25, you need to make sure that 5 off 25 comes off, and and everything, all those digitals that you got clipped, and then you hand over your paper coupons to get the final price. And please don't be like me and forget to hand over your paper coupons, because I've done that before. But anyway, that's all the scenarios. Sorry about the long drawn out explanations and stuff, but still, when you do your scenarios, especially the last 2 I was talking about with the paper coupons, you need to make sure that you hand over the right things in the right order. But especially with scenario 3, to get the $1.85 before tax, like I did, you need to make sure you hand over your 3 dish liquid and your dryer sheets first. So you make sure that you get the coupons attached to the right items, because they don't have it attaching to certain ones like they're supposed to. So you have to make sure you the one that implemented it yourself. And then cashier hits total, you put in your digital coupons, or you put in your phone number, the cashier hits total, or whichever way that goes first. It doesn't really matter on that part, but it matters that you put your phone number in first before you hand over your paper coupons, because the cashier has to hit totals after you do your digital. But then when you hand over your paper coupons, and of course they're gonna hit total again. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Sorry about all that rambling. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask once again. And this is Couponing with Alsande.